Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a round vent damper on your retractable downdraft vent, first detach the venting from the old damper, if still intact. Now use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws to release the old damper from the vent box. Install the new round vent damper by properly aligning it on the vent box. Then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Secure the venting to the new damper, and the retractable downdraft vent should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.